How to find and save effects on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, simply tap on your story option at the top of the screen. Now, what you need to do over here in order to search for particular effects on Instagram is you can see you'll be able to see different effects over here whenever you search for story. So you can just drag the effects to the very end where you can see this magnifying glass icon. So simply tap on it. So here you can search for any effects. I'm gonna tap on the search bar and search for the effect over here. So let me search for blur, and here you can see different effects of blur. Now let me tap on one of these. So let me see how it looks. And if I like it, what you can do in order to save it is simply tap on the save icon at the left side of the screen. So tap on it and save it. So that's how you can find and save effects on Instagram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.